So technology, for me, we've seen the world change a lot in the last 5 years. We've gone from the cloud, everybody likes to be in the cloud, but the cloud really to start with was a consumer cloud. It was about you, the individual, being able to use the internet to store things like on LinkedIn and Facebook and Google. But it was always about you, the individual. What I think has been really exciting in the last sort of year, 2 years, is we've seen the emergence of what I call the enterprise cloud. We'll be getting cloud providers out there in Silicon Valley who are spending a lot of money creating solutions for business, not just for consumers. So you're seeing the rise of people like Xero, like Google, obviously, not just Facebook, but now Salesforce and DocuSign. These are companies that are coming out and their specific focus is to help you, the businessman, get more efficient. What's great, of course, is they're spending billions of dollars making that happen. So now what you're getting is this world in which the best of breed exists and talks to each other. So DocuSign talks to Salesforce, works with Google, and can integrate into Xero. So suddenly what you have is an ecosystem of cloud providers that can give you best of breed to make your business so much more efficient. And that's what really excites me, is that now as a small operator, whereas before my technology budget would be quite limited and all I could do was really try to keep up with the big boys. Now I can be far more nimble. I can choose best of breed. I can work with how it works with each other, and I can actually get out there and have the best document systems, the best company management systems, the best bookkeeping systems, those kind of things all working well together. At RP Data, what we're trying to do is integrate into that cloud. So we're trying to provide our data not just through services like RP Professional, but also as an integrated system that can be called from those cloud providers. So for example, DocuSign calling us and pulling our data into a form, or Salesforce creating a CRM which works for real estate agents, but instead of you having to log into RP Professional, you can jump into Salesforce and pull in the data that you need inside your CRM while you're tracking the customer. So for me, technology really has moved rapidly from being from being really big-end, high-end systems developed by IBM and Microsoft, sitting in, spending $10, $20, $30, $50, $100,000 to get your system up, to these cloud providers for consumers, to now this enterprise cloud where you can pretty much buy what you need as a business, be very nimble as to what you want and get the best of breed and get it to integrate. And in the end, you get top quality, rapid evolution, working very well and with a huge evolutionary path in terms of where the technology is going. The biggest companies in the world spending on you, and you can buy it for relatively cheap off the shelf and integrate it for yourself.